Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start fast, put on gloves and eye protection, then lift and support the car on jack stands. Once done, disconnect the battery to avoid sparks and plug in a handheld OBD-ROMAN2 reader to record codes so you know where to focus. Next, remove the suspect component access panels, airbox, splash shields, or trim so you have room to work. Make sure to label bolts and take quick photos. That saves time when reassembling and prevents wasted troubleshooting later. You now move into targeted diagnostics. Use the codes to test sensors and wiring with a multimeter, checking for voltage, continuity, and proper resistance ranges. If a sensor or coil fails, swap it with a known good unit or replace it. For spark and fuel issues, change plugs and filters to restore basic function. Once you fit a part, reconnect and run the engine briefly to verify the symptom cleared. Make sure to note any new readings and continue stepwise until the fault no longer appears. You finish by tightening fasteners to manufacturer torque specs and reconnect the battery, then clear stored error codes so fresh events are visible. Once done, perform a controlled test drive while monitoring engine behavior and any live data, watching for recurring codes or limp home modes. If the problem returns, isolate systems, fuel, ignition, intake, exhaust, and repeat targeted tests rather than swapping parts randomly. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent faults persist, inspect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.